tell you a story about the life of Buddha. Do you ever heard about this story before? Alright, once upon a time, there was King Suddhodana and Queen Mahamaya who lived in a palace called Kapilavastu. Queen Mahamaya gave birth to a lovely baby boy at Lumbini Gardens named Siddhartha Gautama. But sadly, the queen died 7 days later after giving birth. King Suddhodana believes that his son will become something extraordinary. So, to prove that, he asked an astrologer to consult the stars about his future. He will either become a ruler of his father, or will become a holy man, and your family will lose all power in the kingdom. The king was shocked, and he decided to protect him from the second prediction. Siddhartha matured into a young man. The king wedded him to a lovely princess, Yasodhara. The king thought, when Siddhartha married, he would not leave his home. But on the other hand, Siddhartha felt satisfied at the palace. One day, Siddhartha drives his car outside the palace area with his devoted servants, Shana. On his way, he sees an old man. What is that, Shana? This is an elderly gentleman. After that, he sees a sick guy who's wailing in agony. What is that crying, Shana? He's unwell and due to severe pain in his will. Siddhartha was so confused because he never sees a sick person before. And then he met a group of people drinking a dead body. One day, Prince, his soul will die. Shana said to Siddhartha. Siddhartha knew that his father isolated him in the palace to keep him safe from his dangers. Siddhartha wondered to himself, do we all have to get old, ill, and die? Isn't there another option? Suddenly, he sees a guy with a shaved head wearing an orange rocks and a bowl in his hands. Who is that That's a settlement who abandoned everything and gone to the jungle to seek happiness. After hearing that, Siddhartha knew that is the other option. So, he decided to leave his home in search of happiness. One night, while his wife and son Rahula were sleeping, he secretly lived in the palace with Shana. They went together to the village Anamara. Siddhartha drops his imperial garments there. He handed Shana his clothes and his horse to return to the palace. He started to shave his long hair, wearing an orange rose, and grabbed a bowl on his hands. Do you know the road to happiness? He asked each person he met. Nobody could tell him. Finally, he sat beneath a body tree and started to meditate. He tried to solve the problem on his own. fish for another 45 years. Can you imagine it? He's already 80 years old at that time. And finally, at Kusinara, he laid down beneath the salad trees and exhaled his last breath. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am Jesselina. Thank you and good afternoon.